After a surgery such as a knee replacement, it's important to start normalizing the motion of going from sit to stand, squats essentially. So you can do it on a regular chair. Something non-rolling is very important. And you want to do it like this. I do recommend going barefoot. You might as well start getting that proprioceptive input from the ground. So feet straight, knees straight, or even out a little bit is fine. Don't let them collapse in. So stand up and sit down slowly. All right, the sit down slowly part is important. If it's too hard to get up without using your hands, you can use your hands on the way up and try to go no hands on the way down. Go nice and slow. Again, don't let the knees cave in together like that. You don't want to train that pattern. I should also mention that you might as well go ahead and make an arch with a foot. So you take your big toes, draw them in towards your heels, right? And that will create a little bit of an arch, and that will set up your knees into a better position. If you feel like you're gonna fall backwards because maybe your ankles are stiff, you can put your arms out. They'll give you a little bit of a counter lean.